The Norton 6000 series door operator can be activated with an optional remote control. In double door applications, the remote control receiver is wired to the left electrical subassembly. The red wire should be connected to the lower left terminal. Just loosen the screw and insert the bare end of the wire beside the existing gray wire. Then move up one position and connect the black wire along with the existing yellow wire. Connect the green wire to the lowest contact on the right side of the subassembly. These are push-type connectors. Just push the button, insert the wire, and release. Move up to the next connector and repeat the procedure with the white wire. Remove the clear tape from the back of the receiver and stick it to an empty space on the back plate. Finally, sync the receiver to the unit by pushing the Learn button on the lower left. When the red light flashes, push the key fob button until the blue light flashes, indicating the unit is synced and ready to operate.